Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart in Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back, everyone. Today's DIY is going to be a stained glass window using acrylic paints. Welcome back, guys. I hope that you are all in a safe place and in a safe space while we get on with this video, which is a DIY to create a glass stained window using picture frames that I got from Dollar Tree a couple of years ago, and I didn't throw them out because I knew that they would come in handy for something. So anyway, guys, stay tuned and I'll be back in 2 seconds. Here are all the items that I will be using in the video today for this project. I will list them in the description. But before we move forward, I would like to share something with you. Stay tuned. And I also tried my hand at making hoops. And this is what I came up with. This one. This is sterling silver plated. This is just all copper. And this is copper tone. Gold tone copper. So yep, that's what I'm doing, guys. Trying to get ready for my next event, and these are new for me. So yep, guys. Anyway, let's get with the business at hand. And right here, guys, you see I'm taking the glass out of the frame so that I can get it all clean and shiny. That is one of the most important things about this project, is making sure that your glass is as crystal clear, clean as you can get it on both sides. And using that alcohol there, it might look shiny to you, but it did not work. So what I did was put it to the side. I went ahead and spray painted the frame. And I came back to my glass with good old-fashioned vinegar and water. And that's what worked to get the clean that I needed for my glass to make this project work. Once my frames were dried, I applied the Gorilla adhesive glue to glue my glass in place. I made sure that glue was applied to all 4 sides of my frame. So right here is where I start to lay out or draw in place my design. And it's just free-handed design. There's no particular pattern that I'm following. It's just all free-handed. Once I had the foundation of my design, then I went back in and deliberately put lines in place. And once I was satisfied with the design that I had, I began to use my colors. And I use one color at a time because I like I would like for this picture to have some balance with the colors. So I start off with one color at a time, placing them in random places over the design. Once I was finished painting my design, I reinforced the glass and the frame with hot glue. And this is what we are looking like so far, guys. It is coming along. It looks good. And here I am showing you how I am installing this picture frame kit, and all I did was use the wire from the kit. I twist both ends into a loop and made sure that the loop was smaller than the head of the thumbtack, which I will be using to hold the wires in place. And I just put the thumbtack and the wire together, and I pushed the thumbtack in place, but not all the way down. I needed to have a little space. And I did the same on the other side. Once that was done, then I went back with the hot glue, and in that space underneath the tack, that's where I applied the glue. Then I pushed the thumbtacks in place, and I let the glue cool off. Once that was done, I just dangled the frame in the air just to see what the hold was like, and it's thumbs up, guys. It works. All right, guys, this is the next day, and I'm going to use this right here to spray on the back because I don't want my paint to peel. So this is what I'm gonna do. And guys, this gloss, what it does to the paint is it wets it again, gives it that wet, but it makes it more transparent. All right, I think this is good. We're going to let it dry, and then hopefully we can put it in the window and see what it looks like before the sun shifts. And here is the final result, guys. What do you think? I think it turned out really nice. I like the way the sun is shining through it. It looks good. But you know what? I think next time I'm going to do this video again, but I'm going to use real stained glass paint. How about that? Hey, and if you guys like the content that I put out in my video today, give me a thumbs up for a like. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't yet, tap that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know, guys. And I will see you in the next DIY video. Bye-bye.